Hello everyone, I am doing a quick video on how to share a transaction via Transaction Desk. This is helpful if you are splitting a transaction with another agent and you two are working together with a buyer or a seller. This is also how you will share a transaction with our transaction coordinator here if you're using our transaction coordinator services. So we are going to start here. This is right when you log into Northwest MLS. You click on Transaction Desk. And then click on Setup right over here. Once you're in Setup, there's Sharing. Now I've already set this up on my account, but let's say you did not have this already here. You'd click Add, and you write Transaction Coordinator. I'm going to write 2 just so I can make a distinction here. And you'll click on Andrew Meyer, the transaction coordinator, and you'll want to give him full privilege. So if you're working with another agent and you guys are both equally working on a transaction, you'll also want to give them full privilege. If you have another agent who is mentoring you and you just want them to kind of observe your transaction, you can give them just read-only privilege. So anyways, that's what those 3 boxes are for. They're pretty self-explanatory. But in this case, you want to just add Andrew Meyer, and then press Add. Oops, and then press Update, and you're done. So now if we go back to Setup and Sharing, you can see they're both there. I'm going to delete that one now because I already had the transaction coordinator set up. So now I'm going to click into Transactions, and from here I'm just going to pick a random transaction. When you're inside the transaction, there are 3 dots that are for the menu. Click there. You click on Share. And there is my one sharing option. I'm going to drag him over, and now it's shared with him. And now you can click Notify Assigned User of their share. And you can also say, hi Andrew, here is the transaction that just went pending. Now he knows that he's going to be the transaction coordinator. And you press Save, which I'm not going to do because that's not the case on this one. So anyways, that is how it works. Also, if you work consistently with another person, for example, we have our newest agents, Carrie and Arwen Junio. They work on transactions often together. You can set them up as just like the transaction coordinator. You can set that up as a set on your a set sharing on your sharing settings, and just call it Team Junio. And then whenever it's a Team Junio transaction, as opposed to if I'm Arwen, just a transaction with me, Arwen, then you would just come in here and you'd share it and you'd be all set. So anyways, that is how it works. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're going to use Andrew as your transaction coordinator, that is how you do it. Thanks for watching.